It is crazy, guys. Check this out. All right, boys, we outside. Damn. About to roll to a meet. We had to get some grubbing first, though. No, you can't go wrong with some Carls. You'll pay for it later. Damn. With the homie, we finna roll. The G couldn't make it out today, it wasn't ready, so I have to wait for the next meet. Well, fuck it. Let's get it. Carmi looking kind of dead, guys. Not even gonna cab. But just wanted to get out the house either way, so. And chill here for a bit, see if something gets active or not. But fuck it, man. I think it was something to do. Got to see the cars over here. Ah, boy, that bitch is clean. Jesus. Look at this spec, man. Bro, those fucking, you know what is that, NSX now? The NSX pulling up over there? This is for sure one of my specs right here. Sitting on the HREs, beautiful, guys. No cap, guys, if I ever started getting paid from YouTube, I'd for sure get one of these. I love them. Got the M3. Hella clean. Not a big fan of C8s, but they're clean. And then over here we got... Check this out, guys. What do you guys think? Should I get some buckets for mine too? Tempting. That looks clean. No cap, y'all. Y'all get this video to 20,000 likes and I'll buy one. Like, this is fucking easy compared to this. It is crazy, guys. Check this out. Whipple 5.0. Man, one day, brother, one day. What do you guys think, man? Should I run a wheel like this on the G, brother? Oh, what the hell? It's just dope. Now that everyone's done walking around, and we can go check it out. I'm pulling up over there. Okay, boy. BMW? I can't tell. Yeah, huh? Yeah, BMW. $340. I've always wanted one of those, bro. Man. So clean. I never seen one this like up this close. Just clean. I don't know, bro. It's so bad. I wish I had the funds to do this to mine. Hella clean. Gangsters and sippers. You got X around town. You the fool got ranked with the killers. So much damn ice. Alright guys, homie's pumping some gas. We ended up leaving the car meet because that shit was dead, honestly. But look, here's the homie's car. What do y'all think of this? But the meat was low-key dead, so we ended up dipping out. But it's all good though. We're gonna hit some more meets. I just need to stay in touch with some more people, see when they want to throw more, because I know they throw more up in Riverside and shit. So I'm gonna see what's up with it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get headlights probably tomorrow for the car, and then I do want to see if I need to learn how to launch the car from a dig. The goal is to make it a dig car, so I need to learn how to drive it. So I'm gonna see when me and him go out. We want to try the cars out on dig. So what's it called? The car's actually getting headlights tomorrow, and when it gets headlights, it's gonna be officially road ready. So I have a few people that want to catch a lane with me, so we're gonna see what's up. But shout out to the homie picking me up and shit. We better get some food again. I guess it was just an eating vlog, but I mean, I give you guys some content. I'm trying to post like crazy for these next 2 months, so I know shit ain't cheap, but it's all good. But yeah, guys, we're probably gonna film a little more and then spend the night, and that's gonna be it. Oh damn, that's not that bad. 65. But let's get it, man. You already know. I got the GoPro up here. Let's hope it don't go flying off.
We didn't have the headlights on.
When we came over here?
I think so.
Yeah, we did before you turned them on. Yeah.
Should we drive from over there all the way down here?
Well, I don't know, fool. There's no other place we could go to for that. That shit look sketchy, fool. Someone fucking turned around right there or some shit. We're gonna be boxed in, bro. Need somewhere we can dip out from.
Oh, I know where.
Cause fool, I think the girls were already on their way with the food. Let's see. You know.
Oh yeah, they're pretty good off the freeway.
They live by Nuevo Road. You can try for like a stop if there's no like dips, you know? Does it have a dip?
I don't think so.
Right here, fool. This is our learning how to do digs with stick shift cars. So. broke loose on the first one. That second one gripped up though. So we just got back from doing our stupid shit, and I don't know what happened, but the car started leaking gas, dog. So we jacked it up right now. We're trying to see what the hell is going on, but it's not doing it no more. So I guess that's gonna be another issue for another day.
It got wet.
Fuck that, fool. We're gonna go fucking. We're gonna go grub, bro. There's problem for tomorrow. Bro, I'm gonna put in the clips, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys already saw them. I most likely already put them in the video. But we had the GoPro footage going off too. It's about to be fire, yo. But I'll catch you guys to the next vlog. Hopefully the next vlog we're out here doing that, but in the G. See, that shit doesn't blow up. But later, guys. Subscribe and follow. Let's get it.